Hi, Philippa here from Pilates by Philippa. So today are my 3 top tips for helping to get rid of your lower back pain. So tip number 1 is learning to move at the hips. Okay, it's not keeping those hips so still. So you've really got to learn to move at the hips. And most people with low back pain move their hips or their pelvis and their lower spine as one. And that causes a lot of issues. So it's all about learning to move from the hips. It doesn't have to be anything, fantastic or magical. It's moving the hips. So I get a lot of my clients just to stand up, swing their hips from side to side, get them moving, circle the hips around both ways, figure of eights with your hips. That's absolutely brilliant. And of course, one of the best ones is to start getting them to do squatting and really getting that hip mobility going. Loads of other little exercises, but a little bit difficult to go into them when we're sitting here in front of a video, but hip mobility is crucial to low back pain health. So that's my number 1 tip. My number 2 tip is get the thoracic moving. So all my clients that have low back pain are always really stiff in rotation. So they just cannot rotate at all in their thoracic. So again, it's exercises and things to get their thoracic moving. Again, it doesn't have to be anything difficult. Really, the simpler the better. Just getting people to keep their pelvis still and just allowing their spines to rotate, because you'll notice that they've lost that rotation. So getting your hips moving, getting your thoracic moving, because if that gets stuck, you're going to be in trouble. And the third tip, which is also what I was discussing about walking, is get your glutes working. People with lower back pain have their glutes switched off. So that is a huge one. Their glutes are just not doing the job that they should be doing. So my top tip for getting your glutes working is pummeling. Make fists, pummel your buttocks together for about 10 seconds, then squeeze and release for about 10 seconds. Off you go again with your pummeling. Off you go again with your squeezing and releasing about 10 times. And those 3 things will definitely help reduce your low back pain. Thank you.